Hey there, I'm Mikey and welcome to the Electronic Teen channel. I use Dropbox in my daily routine. That's why I want to show how to connect Dropbox to Mac.
It is very inconvenient for me to constantly go to the browser to download and upload files via the Dropbox web version. I also have multiple accounts, and switching between them is even less convenient. If you mention the desktop version, I'll have to pass. It's not suitable since it only allows you to connect one personal account and one work account, but you will not be able to connect two personal ones.
However, with an alternative solution like CloudMounter, you can. It lets you connect not just 2, but even 10 accounts without any restrictions.
CloudMounter is an application that allows you to connect various cloud storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox to your Mac. Today, I'll show you how to transfer files from Mac to Dropbox. To start, open CloudMounter and select Dropbox. A browser window will open, prompting you to log into your Dropbox account and grant permissions to access your files. Once you've confirmed and added your account to CloudMounter, click Mount for the account to appear on your system. That's it! Now all your Dropbox files are accessible through Finder. Now let's add files to Dropbox. It's very easy because CloudMounter makes your storage behave just like any other folder on your system. Simply copy or move files as you normally would on a Mac. After a while, depending on the file size and your internet speed, the Dropbox upload process will be complete. CloudMounter is an excellent solution that solves all issues related to connecting cloud services to your Mac. It supports numerous services and doesn't limit the number you can connect. That is, you can even connect 10 accounts, and they will be perfectly integrated into your system. You can also move files between different cloud storages, for example from Dropbox to OneDrive. This feature isn't available in the browser version.
Now that you've learned how to upload files to Dropbox using CloudMounter, it's become incredibly simple. I highly recommend downloading this application. Thanks for watching this video till the end. And if you like the discounts, the developers are offering you a special discount coupon. You can find it in the description below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you soon on our channel.